Because when you are trying every day, still getting no response, you start questioning yourself. And that phase was really very difficult for me. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Before we start, I want to ask you something very important. What is your job experience in Saudi Arabia? Was it easy, difficult, frustrating, or life changing? I really want to know, so make sure you comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm going to share my personal job experience in Saudi Arabia. And trust me, it's not what I expected at all. When I came to Saudi Arabia on 22nd January, I was honestly very optimistic. I had this mindset that inshallah I will get a job very soon. I just need to apply properly and I will start getting interview calls. I was very confident in myself because I knew I had skills, experience, and I am good at what I do. But then reality hit. I started applying for job online every single day, different portals, different websites, sending CVs again and again. But you know what happened? Nothing. Not even a single interview call. Days turn into weeks. And that is when things started getting heavy mentally. Because when you are trying every day, still getting no response, you start questioning yourself. And that phase was really very difficult for me. And I know many of you can relate to this. And that is why I am asking this question again to you. What was your experience in Saudi Arabia when it comes to job? Did you also face this phase or was your journey smooth? Tell me in the comment section. So while all this was happening, I randomly started posting videos. No planning, nothing serious, just casually. And one day I mentioned in one of my videos that I'm looking for a job. Honestly, I didn't expect anything from, but surprisingly, that one small thing actually changed everything. Opportunities started coming from social media. People started reaching out, and that is when I realized something very important. Sometimes your opportunities don't come from where you expected them, but they come from places you never ever even thought about. But let me be very honest here, this is not a guaranteed path. This does not happen for everyone. So if you are planning to come to Saudi Arabia, please remember this. Don't come blindly. Always try to have a job offer, at least a strong reference before coming. And I will tell you the reason why. Because nowadays things have changed a lot. With ATS systems, your CV sometimes does not even reach a real person. You keep on applying, but there is no response. And that can make you feel very lost and demotivated. So this was my real unfiltered experience, no sugarcoating, to be honest, and I'm sure many of you will be having your own stories too. So once again, I am asking this question: what was your job experience in Saudi Arabia? Did you struggle to find a job or you get it easily? Let's help each other by sharing real experiences in the